Hi guys, welcome back, Another Saturday, another shave. Here we go again. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're watching for the first time, please give me a sub. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for your continued support. And as ever, we've got a good one lined up for you today. First off, look, t-shirt check, look at this. That was close. There you go, that's my shaving t-shirt. Okay, let's have a rundown. First off, the brush. Here we go. We're getting some, that's Francis Bossy. It's got a bit of condensation on it, just got out of the shower. There's a story to tell there, I shall relate it as the shave goes on. Francis Bossy coming out of Canada, beautiful. We'll get that into soak. In the John Shaves soaker, right? That's not the sticky toffee bin super soaker, the sticky toffee bin super soaker. Who is it that says that? Anyway, we'll leave that one there because this is a tag video. I was tagged by Kevy at Kevy Shaves to use the soap that you very first used when you started this way of shaving. 13 years ago, I started shaving this way. Loved every minute of it. And the very first soap I ever used was this stuff, Proraso. Now this is a cream in a tube, which looks and smells when lathered up just like that. But I used the stuff in a pot, but I didn't have the stuff in a pot. I left it to the last minute because I thought my son had some stuff in a pot because I gave him some, but all that was gone as well. So I reached for this. It's Proraso Green, and that's the cream that we're going to be using. We'll talk a little bit about that as I go along. It's going to be lathered up in, look at this. Look at this, is that not just absolutely stunning, guys? That's the captain's choice. Let's get the coin at the front. And the captain's choice there. Can you see it? That's the captain's choice obsidian bowl. Doesn't that look like something, you know? If you're rescued off an island by Captain Nemo in his submarine, and he took you in his submarine and you were 20,000 leagues under the sea, I've just got to nip to the bathroom. That would be in there, wouldn't it? Maybe with a razor in and a brush, something, yeah? That's like something you'd find. That's what that reminds me of. The captain's choice, Captain Nemo, obsidian bowl. That's what I'm going to call it from now on. Captain Nemo, there you go. We're going to be splashing up with the matching aftershave, the Proraso Green. This for £10, Italian aftershave. Absolutely superb. This is without doubt one of the best aftershaves you can buy for after your shave. It is wonderful stuff. It smells fantastic. Menthol and eucalyptus. Highly recommend it. If you're out there and you're after a budget aftershave that smells terrific and leaves your skin feeling good, you'd struggle to beat that. And then we're going to do that with After by Menin. That will put, there's a similar scent to that I like. I think they go very well. And the razor, here we go now, guys. If I was to pick my top 3 razors of all time, this changes. If you know anything about wet shaving, you know this changes. The number one has always been the Merkur Progress. It always will be. It is without doubt, for me, the greatest razor of all time. I mean, it really, really is. Number 2, number 3 would be Sexy Rexy, and number 2, coming in close behind the Progress. Here you go. I'd actually put it at joint first because the Progress is an adjustable and this isn't. But check this out, guys. Look at that. Camera's not doing it justice. It's absolutely stunning. That is the Blackland DART. And everything about this razor screams quality. The look, the feel, the weight, the shave, the tolerances, the engineering, everything. Serious piece of kit. 100% marine grade stainless steel, built to precision, built for quality. That's what we're going to be using. And in that we're going to be putting a Gillette 7 o'clock. So let's open this now and we'll get this Gillette 7 o'clock super stainless. There you go. Actually, look at this, look at that. This is just Absolutely wonderful stuff. Anybody that knows anything about Blackland razors knows that you're just dealing with quality. I don't think they make them anymore. If you can get hold of them, I think I paid £90 for that. But I will tell you what, guys, that's £90 well spent. And it's heirloom quality. That will outlast me. There you go, we've put that blade in there. Couple of glue spots, don't particularly like those. Yeah, this is a machined. They do the machined and they do the polished. And I was thinking about getting this polished, but I like the. There was a word I was thinking. I can't think of it now. But I like the rawness. I like the machine marks, you know, and I like the cold hard rawness of it. There you go. We will put that in with a brush to get a bit of heat in that blade. This is not the shave I was going to do. You see, the shave I was going to do there. But when the Arnold Schwarzenegger of Dundee tags you, you do that tag, don't you? Here we go, look. I'm not going to tell you what that is. If you can't see it, you have to guess. But check that out, look. Foam bananas. Do you know what they are? Hey? Little. I don't know if they have them where you are. But they taste like that smells. Absolutely. They do. Oh my word. They do. They just taste like that smells. But anyway, I digress. So, let's get some of this. You see it? I'll get some of this in there. How much we're going to put in? Come on, healthy. I think there's too much in there, but do you know where I bought this from? The box is in there. I bought this from Marshall's. The last time I went to New York with my son about 2 years ago, we went to Katz's Deli, you know, where they filmed, where the Harry Met Sally scene thing. No, we didn't. It was empty, but we're not sitting in the Harry Met Sally seat. We came out and we went to the Marshall's next door, and they were selling that in there for something like $4. So I got that. There you go. Straight away, look. Absolutely wonderful. Menthol and eucalyptus. It's been in there a while. It was on sale. Absolutely lovely. I was going to try and buy a pot of the original, but they didn't have any on. They've got it on Amazon Prime, but for some strange reason, it was saying that it wasn't going to get here for about 3 or 4 days. Look at that. Can you see that sheen, guys? Look at that shine on there. Absolutely wonderful. I'll wet the face and then we'll crack on. I'm still chewing this banana. So, how are you all doing? Oh, it's Friday evening as I film this. Been a good week in work, but I think it was Tuesday morning. I was moving a pallet on a delivery, and I pulled this muscle right here. Oh, guys, I've been in agony all week. It's okay now, but it tires you out, doesn't it? So I've been working with it all week. I'm kind of glad the week's over, but it's been a good week. It's not a bad place to work, and there's a good set of guys. A good set of guys work there. So anyway, let's get it cleaned up. So this is my shave of the day. Please let me know what yours is. And as it's a Saturday, let me know what your slurp of the day is. Your other SOTD. Samantha's coming home. She's going to be home late. She's at the gym. She said, Dad, I've got your bottle of wine. It's an Australian wine. It's called 19 Crimes. And it runs Jamshed a close second. And I will be having that. Please let me know what your shave of the day is. And if you feel so inclined, what your slurp of the day is. There you go. Gillette, 7 o'clock. Super stainless. In the Blackland. What words? You don't need words, do you? That is absolutely wonderful. Honestly, you don't even need to press. Just let the weight of the razor do it. It's perfectly weighted, perfectly balanced, perfectly engineered. Absolutely, I fell in love with this. The minute I used it, absolutely wonderful. I bought it, I'd been after one for a long time because aesthetically it's very pleasing to the eye, isn't it? So I wanted one based on aesthetics. And then everybody said it was a wonderful razor. And then I saw a couple of reviews who said it's quite aggressive, and I thought, well, it's right up my street. I got it, and from the first shave, I've been in love with this razor. And I believe they're discontinued now, so if you can get one, I would highly recommend that you do so. I don't think they're on Obtainium just yet. You don't see a lot of them about. Have a look on the shaving forums. Keep your eyes peeled on eBay. And if you see one, guys, I would pounce. I would pounce. Absolutely wonderful shaver. Absolutely wonderful. Yeah, what a cracking first pass. Oh, so that's it. Yeah, we had dramas. The boiler packed up. We had to get somebody out to the boiler, so we had to do a day with no hot water. Then they came and fixed. I thought I'll go a day without a shower. He came and fixed the boiler. So all day I was thinking, yes, go and get a shower. You feel the, oh yeah, when you're out of the shower. Came home, shower packed up. What a farce we've had trying to get somebody out to fix that shower. Anyway, I finally got someone to come out. It might be next week, it might be the week after. Finally pinned them down, they're going to come and have a look Wednesday next week. So we're going to have to struggle with baths and so on. Well, I came home from work today and I just felt icky and sticky and hot, tired, irritable. And I thought, I'm going to have a cold shower. I'm going to have a cold shower. And I put the shower on and it's working now. So we're going to wait for the guy to come and fix it and try and explain to him what's going on. But that's been my week. How's yours going? You come in here into Johnsville. Come into Johnsville and it all disappears, doesn't it? I mean, this menthol and eucalyptus. Look at this brush, guys. It's absolutely stunning. You feel that in your hand. Look, just fits. Absolutely wonderful. This wonderful, fresh, creamy, warm soap. And this absolute sexy beast of a ball. And it all disappears, doesn't it? All that tension, all that crud, all that stuff you've been going through all week, all just disappears. Here you go. Third pass against the grain. So let me know if you've got a Blackland DART. Let me know what you think of it. If you've got a Blackland DART and you're getting rid of it, let me know if you want to trade it. Because this would make a great gift for someone, wouldn't it? Absolutely. I'm at, I think I'm about 57 subscribers off the magic 1,000. And then we'll do a giveaway. I just bought a brand new King C Gillette. I'm going to give that away as a second prize. And if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, you'll know what the first prize is. And I'll throw some blades in. And I will post anywhere in the world. And we'll have that. We're inching up, guys. Thanks to everybody. Absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. I'm not as tired because I had that shave. I get them leather mittens. Come on, look at that. Absolutely wonderful. To see it was an old cream out of a tube. I mean, I don't know how long they'd had it, but it was on sale at their end. And it's been sat in my drawer for a couple of years. But it's, oh, let me rinse it. It's very, very slick, guys. I mean, proraso is wonderful anyway. And don't be put off by the price. If you're new to this way of shaving and you get a green tub of the proraso shaving soap, menthol and eucalyptus, it's something like £5 or £6. Don't let that put you off. It is exceptional stuff. Can you hear that? So once again, please let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know what your slurp of the day is. Let me know what you think of the Blackland. I hope you've all had a good week. It's a weekend now. Things can only get better, can't they? Oh, so thanks Kevy for the tag. Like I said, I was going to do the PAA Rabid Banana. Well, I wasn't actually. PAA Rabid Banana was the backup plan. Because the weapon of choice still hasn't been delivered yet. I'm like a kid at Christmas, you know, when you order a soap and oh man. But there you go. Here we go. Check this out. Oh, the leaning. Lancashire can't disappoint all them female fans. Look at that. That's just a shadow, that there. Always looks like I've missed a bit. But yeah. Look at that. Nothing, guys. There is not a single hair. Nothing. Absolute smooth as a baby's bum. I'm not saying it. You can say it. I'm not saying it. There you go. We'll get some of that on there. Whoa. Do you reckon we got enough on there? Oh, there it is. Oh, guys. Get it in the... Oh. If I could hook that up to my shower and shower in this stuff, I would. Absolutely. Absolutely love this stuff. Smells fantastic. After by Menon. Check this out, guys. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. So here we come to the end of it. The end of the shave. Look after yourselves. Remember, I saw another quote and I forgot it. I thought that would be a good one then for the end of the video. But I've forgotten it. But just remember, guys, in a cold, dark world, be a beacon of warmth and light. And here's another one. Do you know, if you're going through hell, just remember that in order for the branches of a tree to reach for the heavens, its roots have first got to go into hell. Look after yourselves. Say it every week, and I mean it. Take care, and I will see you on Wednesday. Surprisingly enough, for the Wednesday shave. Bye.